Hey guys, it's Big C. It's Monday morning. Just turned 9/24, January 14th. Doing the Timeless Treasure break that ended last night. So we'll go through the sheet here. Timeless Treasures. A few teams did not sell. Let's see, back up. And then over and down. Alright, and then let's see who got the Lakers. Big Glad you got the Lakers, so you will. And I got your message also about the Lakers tent, and I will take care of you that. I have a case of this coming today, so I will take care of you on that. Timeless Treasures. And we are off. Cody. And a pack, empty box. And the Kobe. Again, the guy gets the Kobe's. Base. Actually, some of these, I've never seen any of those before. Or these two. Three, anyway. Or that one. I don't think I've seen any of these before. So. Okay, let's see. A fat pack. I don't know if that means anything or not, but. Okay. We got Jamal Crawford, Clippers, BG, Tyreek Evans, Kings, Big Lad, Shaquem Noah, Street Profit, Wilson Chandler, Nuggets, Big Lad. We got Amon Shumpert for the Kings, or for the Knicks, I'm sorry. The Knicks, buy and sell, got him. And what's that number out of 499? Trey Tompkins, Glass Rookies for the Clippers, and that's also BG, 499. And then, let's see, Treasured Ink, Michael Cooper for the Lakers. And that's out of 199, out of 199 for Big Lane. So there you have it, guys. I appreciate it. Short and sweet. Keep checking out the auctions. Big C 2014. Thanks, man.